This 1996 Bluebird TC 2000 CS Coach Plus is brought to you by Kaler Auto Sales. We are offering a 1996 Bluebird Passenger TC 2000 CS Coach Plus with 50,200 original documented miles. This is ex-government unit with an excellent service history. The engine runs smooth and the transmission shifts perfect with no hesitations. Options on this TC 2000 Cs coach include Cummins diesel engine 5.9L, 190 horsepower, auto transmission, power steering, air brakes, air conditioning, 37+1 passenger seating, coach style windows, AM, FM radio, rubber floor covering, tilt wheel, underneath luggage storage, generator, roof emergency hatch. Great features, perfect for Coach Plus for any church activities, shuttle services, tours, charter services, adult senior daycares, team sports, airport transportation, RV conversion and more. Thanks for looking at our AD $10,988. Call Oliver 954-524-0400.